Two enemy soldiers came into view of the FPV drone positioned in wait near Kharkiv. One of the soldiers alerted his comrade, but by that point, there was nothing to be done. It was already too late. A Ukrainian service member was observed by a Russian FPV drone that had been positioned in standby mode, as he made his way through a zone in close proximity to the active front lines, traveling aboard an electric scooter. A Russian FPV kamikaze drone was deliberately deployed and precisely directed in a carefully calculated and coordinated strike operation. This target, a Ukrainian railway train, a train that was actively in transit, moving through the heart of the contested region, deep within the ongoing conflict zone. A Russian fiber optics FPV drone, positioned silently in ambush, locked onto its target, a female member of the Ukrainian armed forces, moving through the area, aboard a bicycle. This engagement took place in the direction of Krasnoarmysk, as the conflict continues to claim its toll on all those present within the active combat zone. A Russian Special Forces Brigade fiber optics FPV drone operator tracked Ukrainian Armed Forces infantry, moving across an open field in the Zaporizhia direction. The drone followed their every movement, precisely and methodically, as the engagement unfolded deep within the active conflict zone. Russia's center group, the 506th Motorized Rifle Regiment, conducted a series of intense combat operations.
Targeting Ukrainian Armat Forces Armurad Vehicles.
Moving along a key stretch of road in the Krasnoarmysk direction, a direct and calculated engagement as armored units confronted each other in one of the most contested corridors of the ongoing conflict zone. Man versus machine under the cover of night. The odds were clearly uneven, but the Ukrainian soldier committed fully, facing the situation without hesitation or retreat. Today's fresh footage shows the situation near the village of Novodmitrovka. UAV operators from the 34th Guards Mountain Motorized Rifle Brigade of the North Operational Tactical Group track and engage an enemy pickup truck near the settlement. A Ukrainian soldier is seen attempting to take cover inside an old residential building, using the structure for protection amid ongoing activity. Combat operations pressed forward without pause. Among the confirmed results of the day's engagements, a number of significant Ukrainian assets were rendered completely out of action. These included a ground-based robotic system, a pickup truck, a Humvee armored vehicle, an all-terrain vehicle, an armored recovery vehicle, and a battlefield communications terminal. Each of these losses representing a measurable and strategic blow to Ukrainian operational capabilities on the ground. Footage shows a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled howitzer being engaged and disabled by multiple FPV drones. Round pushpin operation carried out by fighters from the center group. From a Russian perspective, a 2A-65 MSTB conducts a strike on a Ukrainian Armed Forces ammunition storage site, rendering the facility inoperable and highlighting the use of artillery in targeting logistical infrastructure. Russian FPV kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicles were strategically deployed and directed in a series of coordinated, targeted strikes against unmanned ground vehicles that had been actively operating as a critical component of the Ukrainian Army's ground-based military forces within the ongoing, active conflict zone. The Russian Uragan multiple launch rocket system roared to life on the battlefield, a devastating and powerful weapon of mass artillery firepower unleashed in a series of calculated and coordinated launch operations. Rocket after rocket, fired in rapid succession, cutting through the sky and descending upon designated target positions deep within the active conflict zone. A stark and sobering display of the overwhelming destructive capability that continues to shape the course of this ongoing and relentless conflict. Thermal cameras play a critical role in areas where detecting infantry is especially difficult, such as dense forests, urban ruins, or low-light environments. By capturing heat signatures rather than relying on visible light, these systems allow operators to identify movement and positions that would otherwise remain concealed. In drone operations, thermal imaging significantly enhances situational awareness, enabling crews to monitor activity during nighttime or through visual obstructions like smoke, fog, or heavy vegetation. Even minimal heat differences can reveal the presence of personnel or equipment, making it possible to track movement with a high degree of accuracy. An FPV drone from the VT-40 group, equipped with thermal vision, detects a lone Ukrainian armed forces soldier in a forested area of the Kharkiv region. After identifying the individual, the operator chooses to disengage and fly away without initiating an engagement. Hello friend, today's fresh footage presents a compilation showing Russian FPV drone operators tracking enemy infantry at close range, capturing detailed aerial views as movements are monitored and engagements unfold. April 17th marked another day of relentless and coordinated drone operations across the SMO zone. Russian drone operators, drawn from specialized operational teams and frontline units, remained fully active and engaged throughout the day. Fiber optics FPV drones, kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicles, and advanced reconnaissance systems were simultaneously deployed across multiple contested directions, each mission executed with precision and calculated intent. In the Zaporizhia direction, a Russian Special Forces Brigade fiber optics FPV drone operator tracked Ukrainian Armed Forces infantry moving across an exposed open field, guiding the unmanned system with full control and methodical accuracy. In the Krasnoarmysk direction, Russia's Center Group 506th Motorized Rifle Regiment launched intense combat operations against Ukrainian Armed Forces armored vehicles moving along a critical stretch of road, while Russian FPV kamikaze drones simultaneously struck Ukrainian unmanned ground vehicles operating within the same zone. Further along the front, a Russian fiber optics FPV drone positioned silently in ambush locked onto a Ukrainian Armed Forces service member moving through the contested area, executing the engagement swiftly and without hesitation. The Russian Uragan multiple launch rocket system added to the intensity of the day's operations, unleashing a powerful series of rocket launches upon designated target positions deep within the active conflict zone. April 17th stood as yet another testament to the growing and undeniable role of unmanned aerial systems in shaping the course of modern warfare on the battlefields of the SMO zone, where Russian drone operators continued their work with discipline, precision, and unwavering resolve. It appears that Rubicon had more to offer on this day. Additional video material emerging from the heart of the Donbass region, painting a vivid and detailed picture of ongoing operations on the ground. Rubicon, one of the most recognized and respected drone operational units active within the Special Military Operations Zone, turned its attention today to a critical and strategic objective: the logistics routes of the Kiev-aligned forces operating within the Donbass mining region. These routes, serving as the lifeline of Ukrainian armed forces supply chains, carrying equipment, ammunition, and personnel across the contested terrain. Rubicon's operators positioned their unmanned systems with calculated precision, studying the movement patterns, identifying the key corridors, and locking onto their targets, one by one, strike after strike, each engagement methodically executed. As Rubicon worked to disrupt and sever the critical flow of logistics support, sustaining Kiev's forces in the Donbass region, the mining corridors of Donbass, long contested and strategically vital, once again became the stage for another chapter of Rubicon's relentless operational work, a unit that continues to demonstrate precision, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to its assigned objectives deep within the active conflict zone. Today, Rubicon delivered, and the battlefield took notice.